Hello guys, Brian here. Today I'm back for another Jurassic World unboxing video. I only have one Jurassic World toy, but it's a pretty huge one. Here it is. I'll put it right here. This is the Total Super Colossal Atrociraptor. Now, you may be wondering how many of these Super Colossals I have. Well, besides this one, I only have one other colossal one, and it's the Giganotosaurus. I don't usually collect colossal figures, since they take a lot of space and they're really expensive. I think they cost around $50. And this one was only in Costco, and it cost $55. The only reason why I got it is because, the colors right here, for details on this Atrociraptor, it's really good. Mainly I'm here just for the minis, although, I'll still get this Atrociraptor, which I already have. So, anyways, here's the front. Oh, better look. You can see it can swallow things. Swallow miniature dinosaurs that are shown here. There's 4 of them. Here's the back. Also, I think this is the only Super Colossal to have included miniature ones. Maybe apart from one that I've seen, but it hasn't been released yet. But well, let's just get into unboxing already. If you're really curious, here's the bottom. Here's the top actually, and the bottom, and the side as well. Although it looks like the bottom is actually starting to cave in a bit. So let's open it from here. Oh, there is some tape. Ugh. Okay, there you go. Oh gosh, there. And then you also have one other. Oh, looks like there's none here, but you can remove stuff. I'll just open it from the bottom. Okay, here's a leg. Oh, it's taped. Here's a leg. Here's the tail, and here's the other leg. Now I just need to get the rest, the main body. See, have I gotten it out? Is there oh, looks like it's, there it is. Oh, is there something holding it on? Holding it a bit? I don't know. There we go. There's the Atrociraptor taken out, but I'm actually going to go for the minis first. I'll do the minis. Oh gosh, that's going to be really hard. It's going to have a lot of strength. Oh, there we go. Here's 3 minis here. And here's the other one. The 4th one. My goodness, these are kind of hard. This is really hard, actually. There you go. Alright, finally got the miniature dinosaurs out of the way. There'll be a Atrociraptor later, but I'm gonna go with these mini dinosaurs first. You have 4 of them. And just move my scissors. First of all is the Triceratops mini right here. As you can see, that's the pose that it's put in. And this one has oh gosh, it's torn. One of its horns are chipped off, but that's alright. I think it has 3 colors. It has brown, this green right here on the back, and the white for the horns. So this is actually, I think, the only one that has multiple colorings. The next 3 only have 1 or 2 colorings. Here's the Metracanthosaurus mini. As you can see, it has no articulation, but it has a really good sculpt. It has a painted eye over there. We also have the Apatosaurus mini. which is just one color, but it has good texture. And the miniature Allosaurus, which has some black eyes, but it's mainly just a gray color. Seems like this one is having trouble standing, but that's okay. Here it is. Here's all the miniatures. Oh gosh, this Allosaurus is hard to stand. Oh, there's 2 front legs. I mean, you know what? He'll stand like that. All right, let's go and build this guy. All right, here's one of the legs. The design is actually really interesting, with it being like a teal colored, and then here's the white on the legs. Nope, taupe claw painting. Here's the other one, same colors. And also here's the tail. Oh gosh. Alright. Here's the tail. We'll connect it later. Maybe actually we'll connect it now. You have to align these pieces to this part of the body, and then it should click. You need to hear the click. Actually, I think I might have to. Geez, that's really hard to like move the. There we go. I got it inside. See if we can move. Oh my goodness, it's really tight. Alright, for the legs, let's see how the legs connect. I mean, these are the connection points right here. But let's go and connect one leg. Goodness, the clicking noise. Okay. Alright. Here's the giant Colossal Atrociraptor. Let's just stand him up. Takes up a lot of the screen. Get the box. It's just taking up. It's huge. It covers. It's blocking. Well, some of my view. Let me just put him aside here. So for the Super Colossal, they usually have a feature where you have this hatch right here, where you can get dinosaurs into its mouth, and then you can open the hatch and it will just drop the dinosaur. Where is it? There you go. Alright, so this is Atrociraptor. Jeez. The design is really good. Sculpt is really good. Paint job is could have been better, but it's still a good one. Like, I like the teal. For the articulation, the jaws can open really wide, and for some reason they don't like close all the way. It's kind of like this or this. The arms can move. Has really big hands. Who made these hands? These are huge. These look huge. And my goodness, if you put them like this, my gosh, that's... Do you think that's creepy with those hands? I mean, if you put them sideways, geez. There you go. Kind of looks better, but put them like this. My gosh, that's creepy. Kind of. Pretty creepy. The legs can... Oh, goodness! The legs can move. They can't spread, unfortunately. And the feet can go all 360. And the tail can also go side to side. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the neck can move as well. Oh. Let me just put them in the creepy zombie hand, like arms. yeah, super colossal Atrociraptor. That thing's huge. Actually, let me put it on the camera. I don't think it can even fit this guy on the entire screen. Look at that. That's just not part of his body. It's huge. You see the measurements. I think it has some measurements on how large this thing is. Oh gosh. Looks like right on the back it shows the size of it. It is 36 inches long, which is a lot. And there's also, I just realized that there's instructions for the dinosaur, even though we already put it together and I already showed you all of its features. Well, so yeah, that is the total super colossal Atrociraptor. Oh, goodness, and also these minis as well included here. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, well, stay tuned for more. Although expect less uploads because it's basically I basically have school, so that means I can't really do many unboxing videos, and even then if I have to do a Jurassic World unboxing video, I actually have to get an actual Jurassic World toy, and then I have to do, well, an unboxing, review, recording. So yeah, just what I'm saying is that there's not going to be that many uploads because I have school. It's kind of hard for me to get Jurassic World toys. I mean, because, well, I'm still a teen, and in order to even get the actual toys I want, I need to give my parents permission or some other way that's good. I mean, that's like a good way because, well, there's multiple ways to get a toy, but I'm just looking for just the ways I can easily get it without getting things too far. And, well, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. And see you later. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.